Today I am going to show you the recipe of Anjeer Khajoor roll. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some soaked fig, dry fig, seedless dates, some ghee, some walnuts, roasted poppy seeds, almonds, cashews and pistachios. So let's start. Now take a blender jar and add some almonds in it. With that, some walnuts, pistachios and cashews. And now we are going to blend them into a coarse powder. I blended into a coarse powder. And now I am going to add some chopped dry fig in it. Mix it well. I mixed it properly and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take a blender jar and add some soaked figs in it. Then add the seedless dates. And now we are going to blend it into a smooth paste. I blended into a smooth paste. And now we are going to go to the cooking process. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee in it. Let the ghee melt. The ghee has melted and now I am going to add the fig and the date paste in it. Mix it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. After 5 to 6 minutes, the mixture has cooked and it holds a shape, and now we are going to turn off the gas and cool it down completely. The mixture has cooled down completely and now we are going to go to the next process. So I apply a little bit of butter on the plate and transfer the mixture on it. Now we are going to knead it. I kneaded and I flattened it. Now we are going to add some stuffing in between. I added the stuffing and now we are going to pack it from both the sides. I packed it tightly and I rolled it. And now we are going to go to the next process. Now take some roasted poppy seeds and now we are going to cover it on the roll. I covered it with some poppy seeds and now we are going to refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the roll has set well and now I am going to cut it into slices. I cut it into slices. So as you can see, it is so yummy. So this is my delicious and tasty Anjeer Khajoor roll recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.